Today I'm going to show you how to play the game on our website because right now some browser not support the Flash anymore. So we need to go to Adobe's website to download the Flash player. We choose this one, download the Flash player projector and run the program. Go back to our website, click the game. On the bottom right you see the show all. We click here and copy the link for this game. Right click, copy, and go back to the Flash player. We click File, Open, and paste the link here. Click OK. Now you can see the game and play. Thank you for watching.